Good morning, Philippines!
We went to Home Depot, and what Tommy got from Home Depot is just a box for electric box.
So junction box.
Junction box, and then we stopped. It's very close. Pitco and PetSmart and Home Depot. It's pretty close. So, and we are going home, guys. I need to poop. What? You know when
What's ringing?
Huh?
What is ringing?
There's nothing ringing. There's just in your head ringing.
Not.
I don't hear anything ringing. Did you accidentally call somebody? Because sometimes, guys, Tommy call me and redial me, and then he is in the bathroom. So sometimes he's in the bathroom, call me, and then we hang up. Suddenly he redial me.
I put the phone down and it just automatically dials.
No, and Han, what are you doing? Why you're calling me? And all I hear is
Yeah, I know.
it's normal to people, and we're human. My God, we are human. We pooping. And I said, okay, you're pooping, so I guess I'm not gonna listen to you. Sometimes sometimes he's in the car going to work. He just redial me. He doesn't even talk to me on the phone. He just redial me. I just listen, and I don't hear anything. I'm just listening if there is a woman in the car. Sometimes when it happens, and I just listen, and I said, this is useless. He really just redial me. So then I hung up. You know? Come here, boy. Talk to me.
Yell something.
I do
I don't hear you.
No, I hunt. You know how many times I yell when you redial me? For some reason, you love redialing me. And then it's
When you talk to the phone, I just throw the phone on the seat of the car. It's not supposed to do that when you phone up.
I yell at you, and then you just don't hear it.
Or maybe I'm just too used to it.
Huh?
Maybe I'm just used to it.
You know what?
Ah.
It's not nice. When they do that, you don't even tell them. They don't clean.
It seemed like
They don't clean properly though, the whole thing. Ice na, guys. Meron pa ding ice dito. Ang daming. Wala. Roxy said, thank you. Meow. Meow. Oh.
that was quick. Must have redialed by accident.
Okay, guys, we are home. Ano lang po, guys. Aray, sorry. Look, I smack you. Look, that's what happened when you don't just behave. Alulay. Alulay na. Alulay na. Alulay na, mama. Alulay. Alulay. Ay, chiki-chiki-chiki. Akaliki-chiki-chiki-chiki-chiki. Akaliki-chiki. 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 Hala, Godada, call them, Han. I can't even do anything here. Anyway, hala! Ginoo ko. Ikaw ha. He didn't want to drink water. Seriously, honey? That's all your fault, hon. He walked really slow, like he trying to catch a snake.
There's nothing in that glass.
Yeah, but hon, that's not nice, hon. He walked really slow, honey. Like this, honey?
My little man.
There's no catnip for you, bug.
No catnip, bug.
Dimples coming. Look at them.
Yeah, no catnip. The only grass in the
Look at
grass.
this, guys. Okay, move this a little bit. Move that a little bit. That's why Dimples would be happy with this. Dimples and Hubby Bug. There's no catnip, bug. No catnip. Where are you going? Han, I thought you're opening the refrigerator. Oh my god. Guys, you know what, guys? That's why there is 3 chairs. Tommy, me, Hubs, and Tommy. Yee! Look at this. Look at that. You're the only one can do it. Dada spoiled you very much. Huh? Dada did. Dada spoil you. Is that what Dada did to you? That's why you are fat. Hala. Look, he's looking, Han. He's gonna go move closer. Everybody's here. Seriously? Look at Roxy still, guys. He knows. She knows, honey. She knows.
Okay, Dimple first.
Hey, Han, can you tell the bug, Han? Honey, tell him.
Hello, man. Yeah.
Not in the chair, Han. Oh my God. Where's Misty?
She's right here.
Not in the chair, Tommy, please. I have to keep wiping this chair all the time. Spoiled little man. Look at your little man. Anna, your daughter.
Do I need to be told?
Yes, because she's shy. Han.
The final piece, guys.
This is my house, guys, when Dada's around. That's why they don't eat their food. Do you know that? That's why they don't eat their dinner.
Alright, this is it. Last, guys. Last.
Dimple's still looking.
Last.
That's it. Okay, give it to Dimples.
Last. Done.
Okay, that's it. No more.
Sorry, though, man.
Because you also spoiled. You need to be in here. You are not allowed 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 here. And ito yung suot ni Tammy palagi sa labas. Yung coat, robe niya. Hello. And we turn the fireplace kasi Tammy's cold. So, it's relaxing. You need another pillow? It's relaxing. What a baby. Too so cute. And somebody's on top of him. Look at that. Look at this. Hi, Bug. Huh?
That's what I'm surrounded.
Yeah, you're surrounded. Look. Look. Misty's right here. Hi, Mitch. You can come up there, baby. You can come at the couch. That's why I put cover. And sobrang puti din sa labas, oh. Snow. Kalibangon, manday ko eh. Kalibangon, nakalimot ko. Anyway, so i-ready ko lang itong mga kainan ng mga alaga ko. Ano na guys, iwan ko 4 o'clock na. 4 o'clock na pero madilim na sa labas. Magluluto pa ako ng gulay. Yung gulay na lulutuin ko pala is yung 4:30 na pala. Yung, hindi zucchini. Zucchini ba to? Ay, asparagus pala. Wala akong rice pero nagdala si Tammy ng rice galing sa isang bagay. Ito siya. Ano ko lang ito. I-transfer sa container. Hindi naman sila, wala naman si Bianan doon. Kasi, kaya may rice doon sa isang bahay. Kasi si Bianan, yung doon pa siya, yung buhay pa si Bianan, kasi, yung gusto niya yung Spanish rice. At saka gustong-gusto niya yung Spanish rice ni Tammy. So, kaya may rice doon. Usually, wala silang mga rice. So, dahil sa Spanish rice ni Tammy, yun. Yung movie pala na pinapanood namin is Santa Claus. I forgot the title. Nakalimutan ko yung title. Pero, yeah, part 3 na yan. Kanina pa kami nanonood. Part 3 na yan. Darating yung kapatid ni Tammy. Kakain daw kami sa labas. Malapit lang dito yung kakainan. Iwan ko kung saan. So, I cook rice. Because I thought I'm going to eat the rice.
Okay, your rice won't go to waste, huh?
It will go to waste. Dami na akong container dito.
Rocky, the one
Did you watch Misty? Did you see Misty eat?
I don't know, but I
No,
know
that's the
Roxy,
thing, you don't
I
know.
like Roxy eat this one.
Everything is off. Andun sila sa labas. Pinalabas lang yung aso. Hindi ko na kayo dalhin, guys. I like these jeans. I wanna get more jeans like this from Walmart. I need to go to Walmart, guys. I need to buy more jeans because I have like 4 or 5 jeans now. My old jeans won't fit to me anymore. It's from the one that I got from Cebu. It won't fit anymore. And I love those jeans. Still really good. Like mga Frigo, mga Next. High-waisted siya dito. So, which is, I like it kasi yung bilbilorts natin mapipiit. Ganon-ganon. So, I'm going to close this. Come here, back. Come here. Come here, baby boy. We're here. Why you cannot go in there? Come here. Wait. Come here. Let's go. Hindi man ikaw mag-fit doon. Ang taba mo. Come to mama. Come to mama na. Look. Ay, bahala ko eh.
So he says, oh yeah, well, you know, anyway, we're gonna go forward with that, fine.
Later, in the void.
Kararating lang namin kanina, and then nagtingin-tingin lang kami sa album ni Bianan, wedding album to. Nagtingin-tingin, and nag-usap-usap, ganon. And then nandun sila sa labas. Alis na sila, and yan, picture ni Bianan. Yeah, i-display ko to. Hindi ko alam kasi, wala pa kasi kami mga table-table. Wala pang gamit. Hindi pa talaga na-move. May mga gamit dun sa isang bahay. Pero, yeah. Ang ganda ni Bianan, para siyang model. Ang ganda nga, di ba? Yan. Kakaalis lang nila, nag-usap sila tungkol sa mga ano. Alam nyo na, yung mga dapat gawin.
You hear it?
Again. What's wrong? No, this is one. No, it's my car.
Sounds like it's come from your car.
Can you open it? It's been like this. It's always making noises. Rinig ninyo yan? Can you What the heck? This car is always make weird noise. Okay, yung sasakyan. In-on ni Tommy and then shut it off again. So, okay. So, how I shut it off the car like you press the start again.
I know.
You have to press it hard?
No, but if you still in gear or something, if you put in gear afterwards, it's not shut off properly. You have to be in park.
What do you mean?
You have to be in park.
Yeah, of course, in park.
You put off the braking gas. But that's the second time I've seen that happen.
I know. It's like weird, right? It's like the battery is running.
That's right. In a couple of days, your battery will be dead. If it takes a couple of days.
You know how to shut off the car? I know how to shut it off. You don't have to press the brake. That's only when you start the car.
That's right.
And then
You're not supposed to step on anything.
Yeah, I know. Okay, guys.
You gotta listen for that. You'll go out there, and all of a sudden you won't be able to go anywhere. Or I'll be dead.
Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye, guys. Yes, I look like a mess.
You want to kiss me instead of seeing by him. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Okay na, guys. Bye. Good night. Night. Do you enjoy your dinner? Do you like your thing?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't like my rice.
Watery.
Yeah, I know. I see. It's like you do.
It was very fucking watery.
I mean, Han, the rice, Han. I don't like it, Han. It's like cooked by
Well, you know, so you know not to go there again.